Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday, July 18th. Today is the day before I leave for Vegas. So I'm flying out to Vegas tomorrow night for eBay Open. But I wanted to make this video because I just went to the post office and dropped off some packages. I had some more really great sales that I wanted to share with you all. I also want to thank you all for emailing me and getting signed up for my social media training that I am starting in August. A lot of you asking me about Instagram. Just to answer, yes, we are going to cover everything about Instagram from start to finish, step by step. The videos will be step by step, very user friendly. I'm going to cover everything from using Instagram with Poshmark to Instagram in general, because you really need to know how to use Instagram as a platform in general to use it with your Poshmark, because there's a lot more to it than just, you know, connecting your Instagram to Poshmark and just auto sharing stuff to Instagram. So we are going to cover everything step by step. I am completely open to requests. If you have a certain topic that you would like to cover, that way I can put it in one of the videos. But if you would like to sign up for the training, I'll put my email address down below. Just send me an email and I can send you the details about it. So I'm gonna go straight into the What Sold video. The first thing that I wanna share with you is this pair of cabbie shorts. I love picking up cabbie items. Cabbie is a very popular, it's kind of like an unknown brand or like a direct sale brand, I think, like Avon. But it's a very popular brand. I sold these shorts for $20. They were new with tags. Sold via offer to likers. I do want to point that out. But yeah, just a pair of jean shorts. Pick up cabbie, especially if you find it new with tags. I've sold blazers, dresses, shorts. They have jeans. They have all kinds of stuff. And it is a very, very popular brand that has a really loyal following. So people really like the cabbie brand. Next thing I want to show you are these Justin cowboy boots. These were so cute. I thought about keeping them, but I don't really need any cowboy boots right now, so I put them on Poshmark. They were brown with the turquoise piping. They were used, but they were in really good shape. So I did pick them up. I did sell them for $30. I probably could have gotten just a little bit more for them, but they were used. They are like mid-calf height, so I didn't want to lose a $30 sale over like $5 or $10. So I took the counter offer that the girl gave me. It was sold via offer to likers. She countered and I accepted her offer. Next thing I sold is this Masters Tech polo shirt, just a plain women's Masters shirt with the Augusta National logo on it. I sold this for $20. It was a size medium. I do pick up the Masters branded items every time I see them, as long as the cost is, reasonable. So gonna do a note to self to clear my memory card before I get to Vegas. Anyway, so I do try to keep up with my Masters stuff. I do pick it up whenever I see it, as long as the price is reasonable. Like I said, it seems to be a pretty popular brand all over the country. So I've heard people pick it up really everywhere. So you should be able to find it even if you're not close to the Augusta National Golf Course where the Masters takes place. Next I want to show you are these silver jeans. They are just plain dark wash silver jeans. Found a ton of these at Goodwill the other day and I picked them up reasonable. These sold for $20 via offer to likers as well. $20, I'm happy with $20. So, as long as you don't pay too much for stuff, you can have your $20 average sale price and, keep that and be able to offer people good prices and good offers. And just that's my tip for you today. Just try to keep your cost as low as you can. Next item I sold was this Torrid bathing suit top. Torrid is more of a plus size brand. I think they start at size like extra large and go up from there. This was a bathing suit top that I found. I sold it for $15 via offer to likers. Made a decent profit on it. Probably could have gotten a little bit more for it, but I'm trying to move stuff so that I don't have as much to worry about when I get back from Vegas, and I can start adding some more new stuff to my closet when I get back. It's gonna be August, so we're gonna be looking at back to school time. So trying to clear out some summer stuff for back to school stuff. Last Poshmark item were these vintage Prada shoes. They were just some plain kitten heel classic sandals. So I sold these via offer to likers for $55. Pretty happy with the price I got for them. They are vintage. They're very 90s looking. So I found them at a thrift store and picked them up because these 90s styles are really popular right now. So I did pick them up. I'm going to show you a few eBay sales just to kind of give you an idea of, you know, what's selling quickly on there as well. I sold this Columbia Hawaiian shirt. It sold for $19.99 plus shipping. It's a size XXL. It is vintage. It says made. Just kidding. No, it doesn't. But it has kind of an older tag on it. So it's probably like 90s or early 2000s. $19.99 plus shipping. Men's stuff does really well for me on eBay. I like selling men's stuff on eBay. Next thing I sold was this Lululemon top. It is the Mesh With Me top. If you find a Lululemon item and you don't know what the name of it is, there's a great website called Lulu Fanatics, and you can search by product and you can go through all the products and find which one is yours. So definitely check that out. This sold for $15 plus $3.99 shipping. It was missing the hang tag, which is kind of annoying sometimes that Lululemon's tags are meant to be torn out. But I usually just measure the item and then try to find a similar item listed. I can usually tell pretty much like what size it's close to just from the measurements. And so then I'll kind of search the other listed tops that are similar to it and look at the measurements of those tops and figure out the size of it. Next was this Vineyard Vines button down. I had another Vineyard Vines that I sold in my last What Sold video. But this was just a plaid button down, sold for $20 plus shipping. These are great things that will sell consistently for you and sell pretty quickly. So I just wanted to share these with you, just a quick What Sold video, just so you can kind of, you know, get an idea of brands that you can look for that will sell quickly for you. And, you know, I love quick flips. I don't really like storing things, so if I can list something and sell it within a few days, I'm happy with that. But I just wanted to share these with you guys. Like I said, if you're interested in social media training, my email address is down below. As always, if you have questions, leave them in the comments for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.